Hello students, today we'll read your poem The Microbe. The microbe, which you can say microorganism, the organism which cannot be seen through our naked eyes. You can see it through microscope. Here the poet Heller Belloc wants to describe about microorganism, the microbe, which we cannot see. We can see through microscope, and what the poet sees in microscope and what he observed is given in this poem. According to poem, the microbe is so very small you cannot make him out at all. The poet wants wants that microorganism or microbe is very small, very tiny. We cannot observe, we cannot guess how small it would be. But many sanguine people hope to see him through a microscope. Here, sanguine means optimistic, cheerful people. So many cheerful people expects, hopes that they can see through microscope. And through the microscope, what is observed is given in next line. His jointed tongue that lies beneath 100 curious rows of teeth. Here, the tongue is jointed. You can see there, jointed tongue, and which lies beneath 100 curious rows of teeth. There are almost 100 teeth in microorganism. In microbe, there are almost 100 teeth, and which are unusual. Curious means anxious, unusual, uncommon, and beneath 100 teeth there lies a tongue that is not a straight, jointed tongue. His seven tufted tails with lots of lovely pink and purple spots, on each of which a pattern stands, composed of 40 separate bands. Now you can see there are seven tails. There are seven tails, and which are tufted. Tufted means hair like, as we cannot see microbe through our naked eyes, and microbes tails will be so small, very tiny, which is compared to hair, that is hair like tails. And tails are of lovely pink and purple spots, and on the tails there are pink and purple spots, and on each of which a pattern stands. Here you can see in the picture, on each tail there is a pattern, and at the end of the tail there is at the end of the tail there is a pattern like band. Here separate band. It is compared to 40 band. Even you cannot see microorganism, microbe. And here how scientist observes about the tail and tells the last ending, that is compared to band. And in band there are 40 separate bands. His eyebrows of a tender green. Here you can see eyes. Eyebrows of tender green. Tender means soft. You can see microorganisms eyebrows which are of soft green color, and All these have never yet been seen. Actually, people don't see through naked eyes. So, all the conditions of microorganism is not observed by any person. But scientists who ought to know assure us that they must be so. But here, scientist who works on microorganism, they must know. They assure us with the people that microorganism is in this way. They look just like this. So let us never doubt what nobody is sure about. So people think that microbe doesn't have any shape. It only looks like a dot, small point. But we should not we should not be doubtful. Nobody is sure, but we should be sure that this is the condition of microbe, and microbe looks in this way. There are different shapes. There are different shape of microbes, microorganisms. But here poet has observed one shape, and that shape is described in this poem. So poet has cleared the idea that some people think that we can see microbe through microscope. Some people say that it is shapeless, it doesn't have any shape. We cannot see the different confusions, but poet clears the doubt. That is ending of your poem. Thank you.